Public School, CCLNTS Badkakana. Today, my students of 12th Humanities are going to tell you about COVID-19 pandemic. Now, Saika will lead you to the information.
Hello everyone, I am Saika Faridi of Class 12 Humanities. Today, I along with my fellow classmates is going to help you to be perceived about the widely known global pandemic and a global issue, the coronavirus or the COVID-19. Now, Vishnu Modi is going to inform you about the origin of COVID-19.
Needless to say that coronavirus or COVID-19 is a monstrous and a killer disease, having its roots of origin in the Wuhan city of China, disputed over the Wuhan Virology Lab and the meat market of Wuhan. It all started and came into limelight in December 2019 when China started to report to the world about a new kind of virus being spreading over the different cities of China, especially Wuhan. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease of 2019.
Now, Rahul Chaudhary will infuse you about the lifespan of COVID-19.
Hello, I am Rahul Chaudhary of 12 Humanities, have stood here to give you a brief description about the COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic. According to some new studies, it is found that the lifespan of the virus is anywhere between 3 hours to 3 days, depending on surface and material. Normally, on air, the live particles can live up to 3 hours. Temperature and humidity plays a vital role in deciding the lifespan of the virus. So, higher temperature leads to less lifespan of the virus.
Shivangi will notify you about the symptoms of COVID-19.
Symptoms. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate symptoms. Common symptoms like fever, dry cough and tiredness. Some people may experience aches and pain, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat and diarrhea. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate. Seek medical attention if you have a fever, a cough and difficulty in breathing.
Pushkar will tell you about the types of COVID-19.
As we all know that coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness among humans, animals as well as birds, ranging from the common cold to most severe disease such as MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS severe acute respiratory syndrome and other related respiratory tract infections.
Now, Mohima will inform you about the ways of spreading of COVID-19.
Ways of spreading. This virus spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. The person can also be infected by touching a contaminated surface and then their eyes, nose or mouth.
Aishwarya will tell you about the treatment of COVID-19.
Treatment. Even after trying hard and spending great amount of time and money, our scientists are unable to discover vaccines. Treatments are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials.
Priyanshu will inculcate you the measures for safety against COVID-19.
As we know that we are going through a very difficult situation. So what can we do? We have to follow some measures. What are the measures? Let me tell you, through which we can protect us and our country also. Let me tell you the measures. First thing, that we have to maintain social distancing. Second thing, that we have to wash our hand properly up to 20 seconds. Third thing, that is we have to follow the guidelines which are given by our doctors and the central guidelines. Fourth, that is most important thing, that if you are suffering from cough, cold and difficulty in breathing, immediately contact with your nearby healthcare center and doctor. Fifth, that is most important, that we have to avoid touching our eyes, nose and mouth unnecessarily. Last, I want to tell you that if we are patriots, then this time is very correct to prove this. अंत में मैं आप सभी से ये विनती करना चाहता हूँ, घर पर रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now, Sneha will tell you about the myths of COVID-19.
First, exposing yourself to the sun or to the higher temperature cannot prevent you against coronavirus disease. Second, drinking alcohol does not prevent you against coronavirus disease and it can be harmful. Third, coronavirus cannot be transmitted through mosquitoes bite. Fourth, 5G mobile data cannot spread coronavirus disease. Fifth, taking hot bath cannot prevent you against new coronavirus disease.
Now, Shishti will inform you about the statistical data regarding COVID-19.
Statistical data regarding COVID-19. Confirmed case 2.97 million. Death 2 lakh and recovered 8,63,000. The worst affected countries are United Kingdom, Spain, Italy, United States, Germany, France, Iran, China and Turkey.
At last, few words from our Honorable Principal Madam, Dr. Urmila Singh.
बल्कि पूरा देश, पूरा विश्व कोरोना से संक्रमित है. लोग संघर्षरत हैं. हर रोज सोचते हैं आने वाला कल और अच्छा होगा, पर जब हम सुबह उठते हैं तो पाते हैं कि हमारी संख्या और बढ़ गई है. पर इस संघर्ष की घड़ी में भी हमें उम्मीद कभी नहीं छोड़ना है. उम्मीद मत छोड़ना, क्योंकि कल का दिन आज से बेहतर होगा. सुंदर हर एक पल होगा. तुम जो अगर उम्मीद न हारो, आगे बढ़ो, कल को संवारो. कुछ गुजरे कल से सीखो, कुछ गुजरे कल से सीखो. मुरझाए हुए हर पल को सींचो. आज लगाया है पेड़ जो, आज लगाया है पेड़ जो, कल वो हरा होगा. और संघर्ष के दिन में उम्मीद कभी मत छोड़ना, क्योंकि आने वाला दिन आज से बेहतर होगा. कल का दिन और सुनहरा होगा.
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!